Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by. I'm Jill Blanchette with Green Thumb Stampers. I'm here for a Finally Friday video. This week I'm going to bring you a no frills tutorial on how to do a faux sidestep card. So hang on, I'll get the video going and show you just how easy it is for you to create one. I have a no frills video this week to do this faux sidestep card that I did a couple weeks ago on one of my Wednesday night Facebook Lives. It's a sidestep card and it's really easy to do. So I'm going to show you the basic steps that you need to complete that. You're going to start with a piece of paper 8 inches by 5.5 inches. Bring in your scoring tool. You're going to score at, let me leave that there in case you're writing things down. You're going to score at 3 inches, 6 inches, and then 7 inches. We'll go ahead and burnish on those score lines. So your piece will look like this, and it will stand up. Like so. All right. Then your next piece will be a 6-inch piece by 3 inches. And you're going to score that at 4 1/4. Burnish on that score line. Like so. All right, and that basically is your card. So to finish off your card, you can use, I used designer series paper on both pieces, but you, oh, and down here I forgot to tell you, down here's one. This could be white and put your sentiment on it. This could also be white and either sentiment or stamp on it, move like your image, take this off, move it over, make this your focal piece, and then this would show more. You got all kinds of ideas for finishing off. I'm just going to give you the basics. So this is going to be your back. You do not need to do anything with that side, but you got a layer of, in my case, designer paper that is 2 3/4 by 5 1/4. You're going to go ahead and glue that on, like so. Then this piece, if you're going to do it as a sentiment piece, you might wait until the very end, or glue it on at the end, but you're going to want to stamp on it first just in case it doesn't stamp right for you. You could flip it over or something. And this piece I have at 7/8 inch wide, and it's only because I didn't want to get to the nitty-gritty, but I would pull it back a tick mark on your cutter from 7/8, and I don't know exactly what measurement to tell you that is. So here's 7/8, so pull it like right there. And it's probably in the 16th. So what would that be? 16, 7, 15, 14, 13 16ths, or I don't know. But one tick above the 3/4 mark. Or 2, right in there. Anyway, just play with it. When I went to, like this 7/8 doesn't really leave me an equal amount of space, but 3/4 was too much space for me between here and here. So it's your card. But this piece is 7/8 by 5 1/4. stamp on that. Put designer series paper, whichever you want to do. Then adhere that on. Then you're going to go ahead and we will decorate this piece before we put it together. This is 2 3/4 by 4. That is this cloud piece here. Again, if you want to do that in a white and decorate, do whatever, you can use designer paper. I'm just giving you your dimensions for your layers. Your layers can be whatever you want to do with them. And then you're going to glue that on there. So now we're going to close that up and we're going to glue this on. So if you're going to put a sentiment here, you may want to leave just a little bit of space over here. I did not put the sentiment there, so I scooched it over. I probably could have even gone over more, maybe more in the center, even that up, but I did not put it too far that way. So it depends how big of a sentiment, how wide it is, on how much space you want to leave. But I'm just going to show you to go ahead and put some adhesive on the bottom portion of this piece. And then just glue it down. You're going to probably want a stronger adhesive, maybe your liquid glue or like your Seal Plus or something. Glue that down, flip it over, and then do the same on this piece. Put a little bit of glue, and then you're just going to shut it down. And that makes your card. So there you go. There's your no frills faux side step tutorial. Alright, I should hold up a sign that says the end. That's the end of that video, guys. It was short, to the point. It's a great card. It's really fun to make. Easy. I know I tell you all the cards are easy, but hopefully my breaking them down with the no frills video shows you just how easy some of these are to do. And I hope that you give them a try. I have a Facebook group called Creativity in Bloom. It's a Green Thumb Stampers group, and it's there wide open for you to share what you're working on. So post away. Post anything. Doesn't have to be this card. Just show us what you're working on. We'd love to get some inspiration and see who's out there creating besides us. So that's it. I'll be back again next week. You guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.